So let's try to set to DFU mode. So here is recovery. We still don't. So let's see. Okay. So here is a recovery configurator. So let's go ahead. So, for example, we need to go to DFU mode. So we got Control, Option, Shift, and power button, and hold together to 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you take off, and 1 second, 2 seconds, keep power button pressed, and then get out. On another laptop, you will see DFU mode. Yeah, so let's go and do it. So let's turn off. So 9, 10, 11, here we are. We are in DFU mode. Right. So let's get firmware. Is here. Here we go. And drop to here. Of course. And see what else. Restore. Restore. And see what else. We need restore. Maybe I've got same macOS. Ah, come on. Nothing happened. Now we'll be booting. Now we'll be booting. So we'll see. Please. 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 Come on. Come on. Empty. Please. Yes! Oh yeah! Yeah! Oh, it's not finished. It's not done. Don't say finally. It's not done. It's not done. I make screenshot. So I screenshotting video on the right window or down. You see the situation on this Mac. Yeah. Please, this is my main edit computer for video. I'm using iPad Pro with M2 chip. It's a good device, it's really helped me. iMac Swanage Carnival Diesel Gala for 2025. So yeah, this device has really helped me. Big thanks. iPad Pro. Oh, please. It's red mini LED is really high. Jesus Christ. Wow. Please. Please, please. Whew. Before I make fail. Whew. Jesus Christ, this is really heavy. Yeah, this is digital word. This is not like vacuum tube. I prefer vacuum tubes. Electronic word. But I know this. I did like student. Digital and computing IT. Early 2002, 2001. No, late 2001. Of course I did on 90s as well. Late 90s. So we are recording 9 minutes. Wow. That's really long. Everything going through the wire to here. All data. Please, please. I keep charge. Please. Also, GoPro still alive. I don't know how much battery. Battery is almost gone. Yeah. Jesus, cool. Please. Wow. Jesus Christ. So you everything see same like me. Use some stuff protected before dust, like CMOS, electric equipment. 6, 10, almost 10 past 6. Wow. Jesus, long. 12 minutes. 12 minutes job. Jesus. Please. I don't know why it's not work firstly. Oh yeah, I install Origin, macOS. So Sequoia is maybe no support. I will see on the system. This is MacBook Pro 2021, 14-inch. M1 Pro. Apple Silicon. So we'll see, because Sequoia recovery file or restore file, I had problem. I keep this file for this MacBook. I bring to my server, home server. Bloody hell. That's interest. Properly clean. Beep, beep, beep. So we're back. I change battery. 3 minutes 22 on GoPro now. And on MacBook, screenshot 14 minutes 56 seconds. Wow, it's good. The slide bar, I love it. Look at that. That's really cool. I love this stuff. I keep as collection device. I don't know why Apple stopped producing that touch bar. It's really good. Really make easy using device. Apple, why? It's really well. It's really well. This is nice job. Premium stuff. Do you see that? Just recording. Here we stop for screenshot. Cool. I'm moving mouse. Now see. Please, come on. Whew. Also, hopefully we not upgrade recovery hard drive. That's never be usable. Oops. Is that? Start. Okay. So what happened? Disconnect. It's never been full. And here we go. My MacBook Pro. It's fully work. We back after half year. Wow. Wow. We working. Wow. Amazing. Just update to macOS on both. This is Intel-based MacBook Pro 2021. See that? Slide bar. And here is M1 Pro Apple Silicon MacBook Pro 2021. Even this MacBook update to MacBook Sequoia. Yeah, this is for DFU recovering just freshly.